So today we're on Hankley Common and we're visiting following a fire that occurred just over a week ago, and we're doing the rather depressing job of having a look round to see whether there are any surviving reptiles that we can pick up and move to habitats that survived. What tends to happen is if an animal can get underground when the fire occurs, that's exactly what they'll do. And just at my feet here there's a couple of rabbit burrows, and it's conceivable that there are either snakes or lizards that have got into those burrows, and what we're doing is waiting to see whether anything comes out, or looking around generally just to see if anything survived on the surface. This fire at Hankley is a very extensive fire. It's burnt over 50 hectares, which is an enormous area, and unfortunately it's taken out heather slopes which were very good for reptiles and for a host of other heathland species. And I think the thing that gets overlooked sometimes when these fires occur is just the richness of what we've lost. This isn't just a piece of amenity grassland. This is probably the richest wildlife habitat of the heathland habitat that we've got in Surrey. And unfortunately the bit that's burnt is the very core of that habitat, which is good for reptiles and it's brilliant for invertebrates. So I'm standing in an area that probably hasn't burnt for 50 years, and it's so sad to have lost that history and all the wildlife that goes with it. So it's a difficult job to do today.